Hi guys, welcome back. All right, I'm going to decorate you guys can see it's a tier tray. This is the tier tray Valentine's edition. Guys, I have different stuff here, there. So let's start with the decor. And two of the tier, I have the white soft cotton that you use for Christmas, but I'm gonna leave it there because it's going to help me to support some items. When on the top part, I want to start by adding, this is a milk glass vase with one of these hearts that I got. Guys, everything that I have already had on my stash. I didn't have to purchase anything. These are stuff that I used um, in the previous years. So I want to give it height because it's gonna stay right here. I still got my Christmas tree here. It's still decorated for Christmas, believe it or not. I'm almost done with all the ornaments coming out. I got half of them off, but I'm doing things slowly but surely. I'm just taking it easy. I'm not gonna stress about it. All right. Right there on the top, I want to add my big lips. I can't remember where I got this. I don't know if I got this from Dollar General or I think it was from Dollar General. Because Dollar Tree, I don't or Dollar Tree. I really can't remember, guys, where I got it from. So I'm gonna have that there. And also on the top, I'm just going to put a simple candle. It's not decorated or anything, but I want to put it on the top just for lighting. It's going to be towards the back here. It's going to hide behind the big lips. Also, I have the home sign. It says home is where I am with you. So I don't know if this fits here. It might be too big. No, it doesn't fit. But that's out of the question. Also, I have this little flower vase, but I don't know if it's going to fit. It might be too tall. Yeah. So what you do is you come here. So this is a wire. You just bend it down a little bit. Bend it in a way that you still can use it. And rearrange your little flowers like so. So, very simple to do by bending it a little bit. And I'm putting it right here on the bottom. It's as simple as that, guys. Simple as that. Okay, let's bend it a little bit more. Okay. There you go. There you have it. All you have to do is just bend it. It's wire, is use it. There you go. All right. I also have there's signs that I have from last year. You guys know that this comes from the Dollar Tree. So I will be adding one here to hide the battery pack from my little batteries, from my little lights that I put on the second tier. And I will place the other one here. Guys, make sure that you turn your tier tray. You try to decorate it. Look in other places just in case you want to turn it anywhere. I also have this little signs, be mine, and me and you. So just, decorate it as your, like it's going to be seen. I have this little mini gnome. I went looking for more of these, but they didn't have none at the Dollar Tree. So put second tier, like so. I'm gonna bring you guys close. This is just a little vase. I also have this little, this was from Dollar General. They had it for $1. This is from last year as well. So I'm going to put it here on the top of the tier, and I'm going to let it hang on the side of the tier tray. Guys, this is the collaboration, the tier tray edition. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, myself, Deborah Cabasa Home Living. And guys, I hope you guys come and join us. And guys, if you don't have any, I also have this little vintage. She's a little planter. She's old. She's vintage. So I'm just going to place her and leave the flowers in her. Maybe I change the flowers. I have just random little picks. They all, see, one flower. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to bring you guys back, okay? Also, guys, I have this little gnome. You guys, these ones are for the Dollar Tree that they have for Christmas. It comes in this color, blue and green, I believe. But I'm using the one with the red. So I think I want to place him up here. And also, I have this little teddy bear. And I'm not going to take him out of the plastic. I'm going to leave it just like that. I think I want to move my cart here and place him right here on the bottom shelf. Make sure I got everything spread, because also, guys, in those empty spaces that you got, or that you have at your tier tray, you could just fill them up, put some flower greenery in between the decor. I think up here is still a little too plain. I don't think I have anything else to add in there. Well, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to shop my home, and I'll be right back. Let me see what I can find, guys. Let me see. All right, guys. I also find this little trinket box. It's Valentine. You guys see the heart. So I want to place it right here. And I found my other gnome. Yes, they already ate. And I found my other gnome. My husband asked me if the dogs ate. So where can I put this little gnome? Yeah, I'm gonna put him right here. I think that's enough. So now, like I said, I have random flowers and stuff, so I want to add little random flowers. Oh, and by the way, I also want to add my little lights for when nighttime comes. I would light them up. So I'm just going to place random little flowers in between items, you know, just to fill up some gaps. So yeah, guys, that's how you fill up your she's carrying flowers already. There's flowers on this side. So let me put some flowers over here. And I'm using pink picks of flowers that I have laying around, because I'm doing my Valentine thing, white and pink. So yeah, guys, simple, very simple. Just fill up your gaps with little flowers. I'm going to pause you guys, and I'm going to bring you back when I am done rearranging all my flowers. Okay, guys? So I'll be right back. All right, guys, I am done. This is what my tier tray looks like. I hope you guys like it. Let me see if I could turn on some light here. Hold on, let me turn on some light. It makes no difference with the light, guys. I just wanted you guys to see it from close. And the shadow, you can see it. So that's what I got. I have the lips on the top. On the bottom, I have the little card. I took the little garland of the lights and I tied up around it. I didn't glue it because I don't want to glue anything. And of course, I'm going to show you around. That's how I did it. That's what you see on the second level of the tier tray. So, and then this is the first level. So no matter which way I turn the tray, you're still going to be seeing items and not just the back of the items that you have looking for. Now you're going to have it in a corner. You don't decorate the back side, it doesn't matter. Now here on the top, this is what it looks like. You guys can see. So the light doesn't show, but all the little lights are on and they're twinkling. So yeah, guys, this is the tier tray collaboration edition. So let me come over here and leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you and Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.